folks, it's me again. I was told help out. Actually, I wasn't told. I was recommended we try to help out a dude with HalfAss Garage. Apparently, his shop burned to the ground while he was on vacation or out of town. So anyway, which that really sucks because I know how it is when you have stuff and you just worry about. So, but anyway, I'm gonna find the link to the GoFundMe page and put it on the bottom. So anybody who doesn't know this channel, HalfAss Garage, either go sign up or go to the GoFundMe site and help the dude out. I don't know if it's still up. I haven't checked in a couple days. I haven't watched his channel from the beginning, but I've watched some of it. It was a pretty good channel, better than mine. It's not hard to be a better channel than mine. I just do whatever. So anyway, too bad. It was really had some nice material in there. So this is just a little short video. I'm probably gonna pop this up maybe tonight or tomorrow. If you can spare a dime, go help the fellow out. Figure there's a lot of people on YouTube that can help each other out. It's nice. People got a big community. People tend to help each other out. So want to help a fellow YouTuber out and maybe make some more videos for you and keep you entertained. Thanks for watching. Toodles.